Good morning to everyone. Welcome back to Politics class. Today we shall begin our Politics new chapter. Our chapter name is Political Parties. Listen. Do you have any idea about political party? Did you heard that? We all are familiar about a political party. For example, if we are traveling through a village, a remote area, if we are asking anything about our constitution, many of them don't know about our constitution. But if we are asking anything about our political party or existing ruling party, many of them, whether they literate or illiterate, they are ready to speak something about our political party or a government. That is the importance of a political party. A political party want an important role in our daily life. Then what do you mean by political party? Listen, political party is a group of people, those who come together to contest election and hold power in government. Listen, political party is a group of people, those who comes together to contest election and hold power in government. Is it clear? Moreover, political party, they agree some policies and programs. Political parties agree some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective goods. Listen, political party agree some policies and programs for the society. Then what they will do? What is their agenda? With a view to promote the collective goods. Is it clear now? Next, partisan. Who is a partisan? Listen, partisan is a person, those who strongly committed to a party. Partisan is a person, those who strongly committed to the party. Such a persons, they are not at all ready to deviate from their politics. Such a persons are known as a partisan. In politics, some of them will be there. According to their convenience, they will change their political party. Some people, almost everyone are there, but in rare case, someone will be there, those who strongly believe in their own political ethics. Such a persons are known as a partisan. In one word, what we can say, partisan is a person, those who strongly committed to his party. Is it clear? Next, components of political party. There are 3 components are there for a political party. How many components? 3 components are there for a political party. First one, the leader. Each and every political party, there will be a leader for them. Then, second component, active members. Active members. Each and every political party, there will be active members. The leaders are commanding, then who will try to implement that one? The active members try to implement the orders of the leaders. Next, the followers. That means ordinary people. We all are following a political party. The common people, that means followers. How many components are? 3 components are there. Which are they? The leader, active member and followers. Is it clear now? Next one. The functions of political party. It is very important. Functions of political party. Which are the major functions of political party? Functions are there, in few functions are there, it's there in its definition itself. First one, to contest election. What is the first function of a political party? To contest election. Listen. In order to conduct election, different countries are following different methods. Different countries are following different methods. We are following within 5 years, we will have one election. Then, if it is a limited period is there. Moreover, while conducting election, there are so many procedures are there. Different countries are following different procedures. That means, for example, USA, party members and followers, party members and supporters are taking the decisions in case of selecting the candidate and all. Who will select them? Party members and the supporters are selecting the candidate. But in our country like India and all, major party leaders, our party leaders are selecting the candidates. They are taking the decisions. Party leaders are taking the decision in case of contesting election. Is it clear? Different countries are following different procedure. In USA, who is taking decision? Followers and supporters are taking the decision. In our country, party leaders are taking the decisions. Can we move to next function? The next function, political party put forward different programs and policies. Political parties, all political parties will put forward some policies and programs. For what? In order to get the support of the followers. If the programs and policies are favorable to the common people, that they are ready to follow that political party. That is why it is the duty of each and every political party to put forward different programs and policies. The existence of each and every political party, it will be depends upon the policies and the programs which they are going to implement. During the time of campaigning and all, our political parties are raising such a demand. They are raising such a arguments and all. If we get a chance to form the government, we will introduce that scheme, such a things they will announce. Then third function, making laws for country. That we know when we studied that horizontal division of power. There are three organs are there: legislative, executive and the judiciary. Here legislative. What is the role of a legislative? Making the law for our country. Legislative means who? Legislative means the elected leaders. The elected leaders. Then that means representative of the people. Representative of the people means what? Those who, the party leader, the political leaders, those who win the election. Then that legislative have the role to making law for our country. So it is the function of a political party to make the laws for our country. Next one, can we move next function? Next one, form and run the government. Listen, after contesting election, first it is the duty of a political party contest election. After contesting election, it is the duty of a political party form and run the country. Who will form and run the government and run the country? Who will be there? Those who win the election. They will form and run the government. First, they will select the leaders and they will train them, make them ministers, It is the duty of whom? It is the duty of a political party. First they will select the leader, then they will train them, make them ministers, form and run the government. Next, fifth function, role of opposition party. Role of opposition party. Who will form the opposition party? Do you have any idea about that? Who will form the opposition party for our country or any country? Who will be the opposition party? Opposition party is a political party. Those who lose in the election. Those who win the election, they will form the government. Those who lost the election, they will form the opposition party. In a bi-party system, there will be a lot of parties. Did you that party system? One thing is there. Party system means there are different types of party systems are there. Bi-party that we will study. Here, what is the role? Role of opposition party. That means the opposition party means a party those who lose in election. In a multi-party system, there will be a lot of parties. Among them, who will be the opposition party? The next best party of ruling party. Is it clear? The next best party of a ruling party. That means those who get more vote just after the ruling party. Those who standing just behind the ruling party. That means if the ruling party got a, how many seats? Supposed to be like that. There are total 200 seats are there in a legislative assembly. And ruling party got a, one party got how much? 110 vote. One party got 80 vote. Then how one party got 10 vote. Total 200 votes are there. Then those who get a 110 seat, they will form the government. Then who will the among that two? Who will form the opposition party? The party those who got 80 seats, they will form the opposition party. Is it clear now? What is the role of an opposition party? They will examine and criticize the policies and programs of the existing ruling party. They will always watching the working of existing political or working of the government. If there is any mistake, that the opposition party is ready to criticize their policies and schemes. It is the duty of an opposition party. Can we move to next function? Next one, party shape a public opinion. Party shape a public opinion. That means in case of in a critical case and all, but in a critical case and all, in order to get a justice and all, we are common peoples are forming movements and struggles. If anybody is denying their rights, they will try to mobilize. That mobilization will be under the control of a political party. Listen, that means what is that shape a public opinion. The political party will help the movements and pressure groups. That means movements group and pressure group means those who are trying to get a justice for a particular purpose. That means supposed to be like that in our area. If someone is if someone is going to start a company which is cause to many pollutions, someone give a permission for that, but the neighborhood places, those who are residing nearby that place, many of them are not at all ready for that. They were bothered about the consequences of that company. At that time, they will started to protest against that. They will started to protest against that they will mobilize the people. They will mobilize the people. Then that is known as a movement group. With one intention, they will working for in order to get a justice for them. And in such a cases, who will lead that movements and pressure groups? Political party will lead that. Then they will have to take a public opinion. They will help to shape a public opinion. It is the duty of a political party to shape a public opinion. Political party will help to shape a public opinion. Then last function. The party provide the people access and to get the government machinery. Listen. Did you get it? Do you have any idea about that point? What? Party provide the people access to get a government machinery. That means political parties are helping to access that the beneficiaries of a government, our government. Listen, if we are familiar about our ward member, panchayat president and all, but we are not at all familiar about our panchayat secretary, village officer, like that. But we are very familiar about our ward member, panchayat president, even MP and MLAs are also familiar to us. If you want anything, we can go and ask to them. But if it is in case of a government officer, we are not at all ready to ask that. That means there will be a close relationship between political parties, party leaders and the common people. So that it is the duty of a political party to access the government machinery, to help to get the government schemes. That it is the duty of a political party to that. What is their duty? They will help to get the benefits of existing government. Political party, for example, if any programs are there or anything is distributing under the any things are distributing by our government authority, who will be the leaders there? In each and every case, there will be a politician. Political here, but in a local area and all, active members are taking, but they will be involved in such a aspect. Like for example, now that COVID is spread everywhere, then so many welfare schemes are there. In order to, who is doing such a things and all, government is giving some fund. Then political parties are trying to implement that one. Is it clear to you? How many? There are 7 functions are there for political party. It is very important one. Then what do you mean by political party? If it is a one-word question, 2 sentences enough. Which is that? Define political party. Political party is a group of people, those who comes together to conduct election and hold the power in government. Hold power in government. That is enough. Then components of a. Then one more is that they agree some policies and programs. They agree some policies and programs for the society. This is the duty of political party. Then with the view to promote a collective good. What will be their view? They will promote the collective good. They will give importance for the majority's opinion. Then components of political party. 3 components are there. The leader, active member and the followers. Partisan, one word we can expect from that part. Partisan means a person, those who strongly committed to a political party. Such a persons are not at all ready to deviate from their party ethics. That's all. Have a nice day. Thank you.